Hello guys, welcome to another unboxing. So this is one LP record. It was supposed to be an LP which I ordered from Amazon.in. It's Anusandhan. It is manufactured by, it was pressed by INRECO in the heydays. So basically Barsat Ki Ek Raat is the LP, and this was marketed as an LP, but when I received it, it seems to be a 45. So let's get into it and see what exactly they have shipped. So they have packed it in this microwave style cellophane sheet. I think I should be cutting through this. Not sure. Let me see if it has survived the journey or not. Should have survived. Shouldn't be complaining. Yep. So they took their precaution in packaging it, and again inside seems to be a solid piece. Okay. Need to be careful now. So guys and girls, so they are trying to beat CDs at their game, it seems. So Sujit Dastidar 500 45 RPM EP record, but they made it look like as if it's a LP. So of course this is a digital pressing, and it was packed 421, so it's from the last year. INRECO, my goodness, the heydays of LPs are long gone. Let me see, what is this? Wow, what is this, man? Made in India. That's wonderful. So it seems they're still pressing these in, I don't know, in Kolkata or maybe in Chennai. I am not sure. But still, if you get an EP which is pressed in India, and I kid you not, I believe these labels, they still come from 1981. So they have kept the inventory and they have utilized the same labels. This is amazing. Of course, it's a latest pressing. I don't think it's is it a new old stock? Probably. After playing, I'll come to know if it has a digital tinge on it. Then definitely it's a digital pressing. Otherwise, I feel they might not have invested on the digital audio workstations, and it must be the origin from the original master tapes. So let me play this and I'll update in the description. So as you can see, this is the cover. Yeah, cover is like a normal Gauri Prasanna Majumdar. Which all songs? You don't see the songs list also, but on EP you have that list. Amar Shopno, I can't read Bengali, but Amar Shopno J, I think so. And what is this? Manchali re Manchali, I think this is Kali. Phulkali re Phulkali. Yeah, this is what it is. So I guess I got two songs on two sides. Nice, cool. I am gonna hit, see, this name means a lot. This name means a lot. So for his sake, anything goes. Nice purchase, I would say, in short. Anyhow, I'll play it and give you my feedback in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.